Hello, my young artists. It's your buddy Teddy, and today, we're going to have a blast drawing Bugs Bunny together. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's create his adorable nose. It's like a soft oval. Great job! Now, let's craft his upper mouth using a curvy W shape. Don't forget to add a little hill-like shape for his tongue. Oh, and those teeth, let's give Bugs Bunny his pearly whites. Finish up the mouth shape. Time to bring out those cute cheeks on both sides. Imagine his fluffy fur and add it in. Now, for his bright eyes, draw reverse U shapes, just like two little rainbows. Above those eyes, let's add his signature hair, spiky and fun. Onto the ears, draw an ear shape on each side and add some details inside. Now, close off the shape of his head on the sides, looking good. Moving down to his neck, make two straight lines. To form his shoulders, add curvy C shapes at the ends of the lines, and then connect them below with a straight line. Oh, and we can't forget those charming whiskers that make Bugs Bunny who he is. Awesome work, everyone! If you had fun and learned something new, remember to give that like button a little click, share this tutorial with your pals, and subscribe for more. I'll be back before you know it with more exciting drawing adventures. Until then, keep on drawing and keep on smiling.